Dear friends, today we are going to learn how to do revolved boss in SolidWorks. Click on File, click on New, select Part, click OK. Select the front plane, go to a sketch. You can go to a sketch by here also, or you can click here a sketch, then click on a sketch again. Now we shall draw the profile to revolve. I will use a square to create the profile. I will make a square of side 30 mm. 30, press tab, then 30 again, press enter. Now I will make the profile somewhat more complex to looking somewhat better. Go to circle. I will create 4 circles on the 4 corners. For using revolved boss, we must have to care that our profile must be not intersecting. So I will use here trim option to make it non-intersecting. I will trim the intersecting parts. Now our profile is ready. Now we must have to draw one axis for revolving it around. So here we will create one axis. So around this axis, this profile will be revolved. So our profile is also ready and our axis is also ready. Now go to Features, go to Revolved Boss, then select this profile. Here it automatically selected some other line or axis. So right click here, clear selections. Then we have to select the axis that we have created here. Press OK. So in this way we have to create revolved boss. Now we shall go for the advanced options here. So here we have revolve the profile for complete 360 degree. So we don't want to revolve it by complete 360 degree. So we can make here whatever angle we want to rotate. Suppose I want to rotate by 120 degree. Enter 120 and press enter. So this is the direction 1. Here one arrow is showing means it is direction 1. So in direction 1 we have revolved the profile by 120 degree. Press OK. Now suppose in direction 2, this is the direction 2. In direction 2 also we want to revolve by some angle. Then click on revolve. Here we have to go for edit feature. Then you have to activate the direction 2. So you can observe here, this is the direction 2. Here we have 2 arrows. 2 arrows for direction 2, 1 arrow for direction 1. In direction 2, we want to revolve by 60 degree. So enter 60 here, press enter. Or we want to revolve by 35 degree. Enter 35 degree and press OK. So in this way you can use the advanced options to create the revolved boss according to your requirement. Please like the video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. If you have any doubt in SolidWorks or anything you are not able to do in SolidWorks, please comment below. I will tell you how to do that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.